So for problem number 3, f of 0, first of all, we have f, g, and h, 3 different rules up here. So we have to first go to the f rule, and then we figure out, well, when x is equal to 0, which piece do we use? Well, since 0 is less than or equal to 0, we would use the first piece. So the value of f of 0 is just 3. It's either going to be a 3 or a 2, but since the x value is less than or equal to 0, then we use 3. For the g of negative 1, so for problem number 7, g of negative 1, we identify first we're using the second rule here, g of x. Negative 1 is certainly less than or equal to 3, so we would show the work here. We're going to replace x, the first piece, with negative 1, and negative 1 plus 5 is 4. So g of negative 1 is 4. So if you know where to look, these are actually very, very quick to do these problems. H of negative 1, we use this third function, h of negative 1. Negative 1 is less than 3. So we would replace x in the first piece with negative 1. And so we have the absolute value of negative 1 minus 2. We have to simplify that first. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. And the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So we have 3 plus 3, or 6. So 6 is the value of h of negative 1.